Hello, hello, everyone. What is going on? What's happened? What's happened? I got this in a live stream with a bunch of people checking it out. So if you're watching this live, let me know who you are and let me move the screen here so I can see you guys here. We're broadcasting pretty much everywhere we can broadcast. We're even broadcasting this from a private Zoom. So appreciate everyone that is on here. And a lot of people has invited a lot of people. So if you want to invite some people in the next couple of minutes, do so. Before I begin, I am going to be presenting this SoFi opportunity. And for those of you who don't know, there's a bank that wants to give you free money. And the internet has absolutely been blowing up like crazy because people just really can't get over that there's free money available. And this has changed a lot of situations for a lot of people. So I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to share this with your people, get your people on. You may have sent them some links, and the people that you've shared this with are like, what is this? Right. And you may not have had the time to explain it, or you may not have had a good presentation to give them. Well, if that's you, this is the presentation that you want them on. This is live. And also, if you can, comment below or comment if you can hear me. I want to make sure I can be heard pretty decent. And if you are watching, please let me know where you're watching from. So post the comments. If you're watching live, press a 1. If you're watching on replay, press a 2. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure I got all my sounds good. Okay, want to make sure we are all good with no distractions. And let me get everything set up here before we dive right in. So I'm giving everyone just a few minutes to grab anyone that you know to get them on this thing. What's happening, Miss Antonetta Alexander? How you doing, good friend? And man, we're gonna rock and roll. I'm going to tell you what this is all about in just a second. Trust me, you guys are going to absolutely love this. And I've changed up the presentation quite a bit to make it a little bit easier to digest, even though it was easy. I definitely want people to digest this. And I got my good friend, Mrs. Augustina. How you doing, Ms. Augustina? I haven't seen you in a long time. Happy New Year to you. Watching on YouTube. And Ms. Alexander, Happy New Year to you as well. So just giving a few people a chance to get on, grab your people. And we're going to start here in about the next probably 60 seconds. So just want to give everyone a chance. And if you are on the Zoom that this is broadcasting to, it's quite a few of you on here. I know you guys have some questions. We're going to answer everything literally here. If you want to type something here, you can. And again, we're going to go over this. So again, this is a bank that wants to give you free money. I'm going to show you today how you can get $1,000. And we're not playing. This is not for play. This is for real, for real. So, I mean, we're talking about some cha-ching here. So, first of all, shout out to everyone who took advantage of this opportunity. Shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome. And so 60 seconds is up. I'm going to jump right in. So if you have any distractions, make sure you eliminate them and make sure you're in a place where you can concentrate, because what I'm going to show is something that's going to have an immediate impact on you within the next 3.5 to 5 minutes. Again, in the next 3.5 to 5 minutes, some of you guys are going to walk away with a little bit of money in your pocket. So let's get started here. Let me switch my screens. Please be patient as I kind of navigate the screen here and get all this stuff up. And I want to read a disclaimer. Let me move over here. Now, I'm right here, guys, so you guys can see me. So before we begin, let me read this disclaimer so we can make sure we're all good here. Now, I will talk about information and opportunities related to potential income. However, we cannot guarantee any specific financial results, as individual success depends on factors such as effort, skill, and market conditions. Past performance is not indicative of future performance or future results. Any testimonials or examples are not a guarantee of earnings. Participants are encouraged to exercise due diligence, seek professional advice, and comply with applicable regulations. By engaging in our offerings, you acknowledge that results may vary and they're not guaranteed. I got to say that just to protect myself and make sure you guys know anything that we talk about has to be regulated. So, and plus, I want to make sure that we keep this opportunity fresh. So I need to have the disclaimer just so we're all good. So my dog is actually having anxiety here, so please bear with me. Let me grab this here and move this over here so I can see your comments here. Okay, so let's rock and roll, folks. Now, if you're watching live, I'm gonna ask you a question. Who is looking for right now money? Who is looking for right now money? If you're on Zoom, put a 1 in the chat. If you are watching this on any social media, put a 1 in the chat. If you're looking for right now money. If you're not, you're in the wrong place, because we're talking about right now money. So if you're not looking for any money, then please exit stage left. This is not for you. This is for people who are looking for right now money. Now, how many of us are tired of waiting for a payday? What do you mean, Melvin? Like you're on your phone, you spent your money for Christmas, your rent is due, your car note is due, insurance is due, you got to pay the babysitter, and you're sitting on your phone like, oh my God, I wish this money would hurry up and come. Well, folks, I'm not talking about getting paid next month. I'm not talking about getting paid next Thursday. I'm not talking about waiting for that credit wallet payment that takes a week to arrive. I'm not talking about any of that. No more waiting. It's time for right now money. What if I told you there was a way to get money in your bank account in the next 15 minutes? I'm not talking about some complicated scheme or hidden catches. This is real, immediate money that you can spend the moment it hits your account. No gimmicks, no gotchas, just cold, hard cash when you need it the most. Right now. I need to let you know, this is a zero risk opportunity. Your worst case scenario is that you get $25 in as fast as 15 minutes from now without spending a dime. So again, you can get up to $25 15 minutes from now. You don't have to spend any money to get that. That's right, no risk, just rewards. That money will be deposited into your bank account. So how many people have ever been on a presentation where your worst case scenario is that you walk away with $25? Well, your worst case scenario is you walk away with $25. Well, hey, this is really, really a great thing that you're on now, because nothing like this has existed. I've never seen anything like this before. Now, do you have to buy anything? That's what you're wondering. Do I have to buy anything? No, you have to buy nothing. Do I have to sell anything? No, you don't have to sell anything. Do I need to invest anything? No, you don't have to invest anything. Looks like my voice was echoing, so you guys can hear me good now? I think I had an echo going on. So I should be good now. So, sorry about the echo, but you guys can hear me now. So sometimes my little thing gets out of whack and I just kind of noticed it was off. So the big question is this. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to sell anything. You're going to get right now money. So again, if my voice was kind of echoing, you didn't hear, just kind of recapping. So no buying anything, no selling anything, no investment. You can get paid in as early as 15 minutes. I've seen it come quicker than 15 minutes. And I'm going to pull up some comments here. CY said, right the F now money. So we're serious about this. So again, shout out to you if you are here, and we are definitely serious about this. So let's keep going. Now, big question most people ask, is this legit? Yes, it's 100% legit. What is this? Well, it's an account referral program. It's by a bank. What's the company? It's called SoFi Bank. Now, let me talk a little bit about SoFi Bank. If you're not familiar with it, you might say, I ain't never heard of SoFi Bank. Like, what is this, right? Well, you may have heard of SoFi Stadium. It's a multi-billion-dollar football stadium that is home to the Los Angeles Rams and the Los Angeles Chargers. And you may have seen your team play in this stadium. And just to let you know, yes, this is a big deal. No company that owns a stadium is not legit. So this is legit. It's for real, for real. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. They even have a bank. The bank is mainly located on the West Coast. You might not have seen it, but they do have an actual physical bank. Now, they literally have $73 billion plus in funded loans. They have over 6.9 million members. They have $34 billion in debt paid off by their members. And in 2012, SoFi literally became the first company to refinance federal and private student loans. Big deal. So they've been around since 2011. Also, if you're wondering what's the review on this bank, they have an A+ rating review, and they have one of the best rates in the entire country when it comes down to SoFi savings and checkings. They give you a great annual percentage rate. No bank is coming even close to that. So now that you know what this is, now that you know about this bank, let's talk about how they're going to give you free money. Okay? How they're going to give you free money. Let's talk about that. Now, they have an app, and you can download this app right now. But before you do, you may want to hold on, because if you do it prematurely, then you're not going to get the benefit of being able to be a recipient of free money. And if you're watching this, someone has given you a link, okay? Before you click that link to get started, watch this presentation. We're going to show you how that link could lead to you getting some free money. Let's roll. So, what's this free money offer? Now, have banks done this before? Yeah, Bank of America had a $300 checking bonus when you sign up for a new account. Banks do this all the time. Wells Fargo had one earlier this year. You get $300 checking bonus when you make a $25 deposit and you complete a qualifying requirement. Chase had this before. Get up to $500 from us to you when you open a new checking account. So banks give bonuses to new customers when they open up new accounts. But the problem is, what those banks want you to do before they give you anything is they want you to move your direct deposit there. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's a great deal. But here's the thing. You are required to have a direct deposit set up, and that can take weeks to get your money. So you're not getting that right now money. And this is the only incentive that most banks offer. And there's no money for referrals. So these banks take millions of dollars, they go spend it on commercials and advertising to attract customers to their offer. But if you tell your mom to go to Wells Fargo and open up a new checking account and she gets a $300 bonus, you get nothing. So you have no need or no incentive to tell anybody about it. This is where SoFi is going to be different for you. SoFi believes in the power of word of mouth. SoFi believes in refer a friend. And so what they want to do literally is you have a relationship with people that you know. You have a relationship with people that you trust. And SoFi believes that the real power and the real money is to invest into its own customers. And because if you're a happy customer, then rather than taking millions of dollars to go out and buy commercial ads and stuff, they're going to give that money to you. So are we all kind of clear on what's going on here? Awesome. How you doing, Miss Lucretia Avant? So, hey, glad you're on here. You're going to love this. So now we kind of see what's going on. SoFi Bank is here. They have an app you can download and you can refer a friend. So how do you get to the free money? Let's talk about that. Now, let me get off the screen here. This is how we get to free money, folks. SoFi has a referral program. When you open up an account, you're going to automatically have access to a referral program. There's no purchase required. There's no direct deposit required. And the payout is immediate. So you get an immediate referral payout when you refer someone. So what do you mean refer? So let's talk about the requirements first. In order for you to even get any type of benefit from what I'm sharing with you today, in order for you to get paid immediately or to see a free money deposit immediately, there are some requirements. The first requirement is you must have a heartbeat. So if you're watching this and you're embalmed somewhere and someone left the YouTube phone on, yeah, I don't think you can participate because you can't get out the casket. The second thing is you must be 18 years or older. The third thing is you must have a bank account. Last but not least, you must be approved for a new bank account. That's it. If you meet those requirements, most of you are going to walk away from this with your worst case scenario being that you have a free $25 deposit. So that's what's going to happen. So again, Lucretia is laughing. So that's exactly right. So the worst case scenario is you're going to walk away from this with $25. That's your worst case scenario. So let's dive back in. Now, how does this happen? Well, there is a special referral link someone has sent it to you. And if you are watching this through me, I have one either above this video if you're on Facebook or below this video if you're on YouTube. That referral link will allow you to download the SoFi banking app or to open up a browser on your phone or computer. Now, what's so special about that referral link is attached to that referral link is a free deposit that is there for you to grab. It's a free deposit in your bank account there for you to grab. So when you click that special referral link, that means you are giving this bank permission to give you free money. What? That's right. Let me repeat that for you, those of you in the back that didn't hear it. When you click the referral link, you're giving a bank permission to give you free money. Now we have some spammer up here, so let me block the spammer off the post here. Sometimes people go and spam stuff, so whoever you are, spammer, let me get rid of you. That happens sometimes, guys. Let me block this person so they will not even be able to spam this post anymore. So this Kate Williams person, let me block here and delete their comments here because they are spamming here. Whoever this person is. So I'm sorry about that. That happens. We have some crazy people on here, so they will do this. So let's continue. Sorry about that, folks. I got to get rid of the spammers here because you know, they like to jump on these posts and do crazy stuff. So let me get back to here. So we're stuck here and we got our spammers out the way. Here we go. Now we got over that. So let's talk about this program. Now, in order to participate, what you're going to do literally is from the special link that you get, number one, you're going to download the banking app, or you're going to use that link to open up a browser. In that browser, you will open up a new bank account. Why? Because in that link, by you becoming a new customer, then you qualify for a free deposit. So when you open up your SoFi banking account, what you want to do is if you have a bank account with $50, all you want to do is transfer your $50 into your SoFi bank account to open up a new account. Now, very important, you must use a bank debit card to do this. Because if you do that, it makes it immediate. Remember, we talked about what? Right now money, didn't we? If you don't use a bank debit card and you do a bank-to-bank transfer to fund your new account, then you won't get the right now money. You're going to get the next week money or the next couple of weeks money. You want the right now money, make sure you have a bank debit card. Now, people are like, okay, hold on. So I'm going to open up an account. Yep. And when you open up a bank account, you got to do what? You have to fund it, right? You got to put money in it in order for it to be valid, right? So you're not paying SoFi. You're not buying anything. You're doing something that you do every day for free, except today, my friend, you're going to get paid for it. How many people have transferred money before? You transfer $50 to an account, you open up a new bank account. How many people have opened up a new bank account before? Anyone open up a new bank account? You have? All of us have? We've opened up a new bank account, we've transferred money. My question is, did the bank give you any money for transferring your own money? Did the bank give you any money for transferring your own money? Oh, they didn't. Well, this bank will give you money for transferring your own money. So when you have a bank debit card, now remember, don't do a bank-to-bank transfer. When you use a bank debit card, I want you to pay close attention. And you fund your SoFi bank account that you just opened with $50, this is what they're going to do. They're going to give you $25 as a money welcome bonus. So what did you do? You downloaded the app, you use a referral link, you open up a new bank account, you went through the credentials to open up a real official bank account, you moved $50 of your money into your bank account, and this company gave you $25. If I stop right there, everyone could do this, and you could walk away from this presentation with $25 that you didn't have before you turned on your phone or this video, right? So it's a free $25, a free $25. Everyone can do this. There's a link below or someone gave you a link. So my thing is go out here and get your free 25. Now, this is not even the good part. The next part I'm going to tell you is going to blow your brains out your skull. So put your hand on your head like this to keep your mind from going out of your skull, because it's going to go out of your skull. It's going to go. It's going to go. So you get a free 25. Now, you're right, Miss Event. You get a free 25. So I want y'all to do like this, because the mind is about to be blown. Okay, here we go. I want you guys to be in a stable place. If you have a drink, put it down, because you're going to drop it. If you have something in your hand that's very valuable, put that down, because you're going to drop it. If you're holding a baby, put the baby down, because you're going to drop the baby. If you got a little small dog, put the dog down, because you're going to drop the dog. Whatever you're doing, if you have, make sure your hands are free so you can put them up in the air, because you're about to be clapping and screaming and you're going to be hollering. Here we go. Now, we're going to review this again. When you guys set up your account, what are we doing? The first option or second option? I want you guys to read this. It says 1 to 3 days. Is 1 to 3 days right now money? Nope. So when you see the option, don't do that option. What does the second option say? Transfer instantly. Use a debit card to add up to 500 and rise instantly. It's instantly right now money? Yes, it is. So when you do this, make sure you use a bank debit card, and so your money arrives in that account instantly, because your $25 will come instantly. Again, don't do the bank transfer unless you like waiting for money. And we already talked about this. You're only here because you don't want to wait for money. You're getting tired of waiting for money. We just talked about that. So stop waiting for money, get it instantly. This will happen within, I've seen this happen in as fast as 5 minutes from now. I've seen people get $25 in 5 minutes. That's a blessing, isn't it? Now, it gets better. Here we go. You will then activate a referral link inside your phone or on your website. I want you guys to see what this referral link says. So please take a look at what this referral link says. So here's that link. You can see it right here. See the referral link? You can share that link. You can share that link right here. Okay. Let me move to the side so you guys can see it. You could share that link. So this says, get $75 when you refer a friend. Your friends use your link to open and fund a new checking account and savings account. You'll get $75 per friend, and they'll get $25 each too. Let me break that down for those of you in the back that didn't understand this. So I'm gonna use my good friend here, and my man Reggie, he got some good money yesterday too. I'm gonna use my good friend, Miss Augustina. Miss Augustina, how you doing? Good, glad you joined us. Miss Augustina, if you were to use a link and sign up tonight and transfer $50, Miss Augustina, you're gonna get $25, okay? And if you were to tell your daughter or whoever's in your household, anyone in your household, that they can get $25, what's gonna happen is you're gonna send them a referral link. They're going to open up a new account. They're going to fund it with their debit card, their bank debit card. They're going to get $25, and you're going to get $75. How much money did you just bring in your household? $100. Did you do any type of work for it? Did anyone have to buy anything? Did anyone lose any money? No. All we did was open up an account and transfer money. So literally, everyone who has at least 2 people in their household will get $100 tonight if you follow exactly what I showed you. Let me repeat that. Every person who has 2 people in their household will get $100 tonight that you can then spend tonight. If you're looking at that thing on Amazon that you want to buy that PlayStation game that just came out, you want to buy something on Amazon, you want to buy something here, you can buy it tonight without using your money. You can use the bank's money, not your money that you slave for. Use this free money. So let me just repeat this so Miss Avant knows. Let me use her as example. So Miss Avant, you use this link, you download this app to your phone, okay? And you open up a new account. Obviously, you're gonna have to put in your credentials to open up a new account, because it is a real legal bank account. You open up a new account, okay? You transfer 50. And if you use a bank debit card, you're gonna get $25 back. So guess what? You got a free 25, don't you? Now, if you got anybody in your house, daughter, husband, anyone over 18 has a bank account, send them your link and say, look, open up this account. and here's, and use your $50 to do it. The minute they do that, at the same time, when they receive the 25, you're going to get 75. So literally, if we put this together, I actually miscalculated. Your household with 2 people will get 125 because you got 25 for depositing $50. You let your daughter do it and she got 25 and you got an extra 75 in your account. That money comes the minute that they do that, right? And I've seen it come from 5 minutes to 2 hours. So everyone's bank is different, but it happens immediately. So let me repeat that back. I think I messed up. If you got 2 people in your household that are eligible, your household will get $125 tonight to spend. So what could you do with $125 tonight? I'm giving everyone who is watching this a free way to get $125 tonight. What would you do tomorrow? $125 tonight. You just came here. You're not spending any money. You didn't buy anything. Very easy money. So let's move on. Let's say, for instance, some of you guys are thinking big term here. You got 2 people in mind. They might be in your household. They might be in somebody's household. They might be a relative. As long as they are a person that's 18 years old, they got a heartbeat, they can meet the requirements, they're going to get money. So what you're going to do is you're going to share your link with 2 people. Share your link with 2 people. All right. You got 2 people in mind. Share your link. And when they fund their account with $50, they're going to get 25. So if you got 2 people, you just help 2 people get 25 simultaneously. You can send them that link. You can send to more than 2 people. Now, when those 2 people fund their account, you're going to get $75 per person that got the 25. That's $150. And all you did was touch your phone. You touch your phone anyway. But tonight, you're going to get paid immediate money for touching your phone. Touching your phone has now become the sexiest thing in the world. So your phone literally has just turned into an ATM machine. And let me tell you why. Because not only when you share your link, a person will get 75 or a person will get $25 for opening up an account. Not only would you get 75 paid for your referral, did you know there's a possibility you can get even more money? So let's say a person opened up this bank, and SoFi is a really good bank. People love it. Because number one, if they do an investment, right, you'll get another 75. If that person decides to go out and refinance a student loan, they'll give you $1,000 once that's completed. If that person goes out and does a personal loan, they get a personal loan, you'll get $300, and they'll get $300 for opening up a loan. If they go do a private student loan, you'll get $500. If they open up a credit card, you'll get $100. And again, if they open up an account, which is going to be simultaneous checking and savings, then they'll get 25, you'll get 75. So folks, this is easy money. This ain't nothing you have to really work for. This is real easy money. Now, you can max out at $10,000. So literally, you can make up to $10,000, and then you can't make any more within a 12-month calendar year. But here's a smart way to do it. The way I would do it is this. If you have a household, you're a husband, you're a wife, or you have a partner and you have a kid, everyone in your household, you open up an account for them tonight, right? You start with yourself. Use a link, open this up, get your free get your free $25, and now you got 25. You can even transfer the $50 back to your bank. You don't need it no more. Put it back in your bank. So transfer 50, you're going to get $25. That $50 is sitting back in your bank. Now you're playing with house money, right? Or you can transfer the whole thing. It doesn't matter. Go to your husband. Hey, babe, open up this account. Your husband opens up that account. They're going to get $25 when they transfer 50 on that new account. You're going to get 75. And then if you want to, you can either tell your husband to use a referral link for your child, or you can use it. Maybe you want to use it. You want to say, okay, well, I'm going to use this. So you go to your husband, you'd have made $75 because your husband opened up an account and he got 25. You go to your son, hey, open up this account. He gets 25, you get another 75. So literally by just doing those 2 things, you literally just made $175 in your household. And honestly, with 3 people in the household, that's $225 that you put in your household. No one bought anything, no one spent any money, and everyone got money. This is like a crazy stimulus, right? So let's continue a little more. Now, I want to show you that people have been getting paid from this thing like crazy. Here's a person that did this, and as you see, they got a lot of referrals. That money adds up. That money adds up very quickly. So you see this, they're going to make that deposit in your account. So this is a person's activity from December 9th, and this has been around for 2 years. And they used to give $200. So I'm mad that somebody didn't tell me about this until just recently. And literally, I opened up an account for my wife and myself. I'm working both accounts. So again, every account that you have available, you can make $10,000 in an account. So if you have 3 people in your household, that's $30,000 in your household you can get. If you got yourself, that's 10 grand. So every account that you have open in your household, that's 10 grand. So you're blessing people. Now, had another person, my homeboy Kawan, he went crazy on this. He made $1,000 a day. Then look at my man here. He made over 9 grand here. This is the person that referred me. They made over 9 grand. Look at all these $75 that hit his account. And this is as of recent, December 28th, 2020. Look at that. This could be you. This could be you. I know you probably like, man, heard finish this presentation because I got a whole lot of people I need to tell us about. So this could be you just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Right? Now, I had a person that sent me a text yesterday, and my bad if I don't recognize the number. They said, "Thanks for the info, my brother. The live last night got me hype. I got right into it. It's only the beginning. I got a few more people who should be signing up." This guy went out, and I want to show you something. You see where January 2nd, he deposited $50. January 3rd, he got his welcome money bonus. And then again, on January 3rd, he referred someone, and he ended up with $150. So he turned a $50 deposit into $150 he can spend immediately. That's crazy, right? So folks, very easy. I opened up another account because I'm working 3 accounts right now. And I opened this account up really early on the 31st. And literally, I'm just referring between 3 accounts. So I got 3 accounts. I can make 30 grand pretty easy. You can too. And we're going to help you make this money. So again, as you see, this money is real. And I'm showing you this because the first of the month was what? It was January 1st. It was a holiday. They deposited the money on a freaking holiday. They gave me my commission on a holiday immediately. So not only are they paying immediately, they're paying immediately on holidays. That's crazy. So most of the banks are closed on holidays. They're paying on holiday. This is crazy. So folks, now you see this. This is real, 100% authentic. And the only thing left to do now is, if you are watching me for the first time, if you're watching on YouTube, my link is below. Use that link. There is a website with instructions that'll walk you through. You can get signed up immediately. If someone else sent you here, if you're on Zoom, and let me answer my questions on Zoom. So I'm going to open this up for question and answer. If you're watching me live, you can go through and ask me any questions. So let me just kind of go through here, and we're going to go question and answer period. So let me scoot this over here, and we're going to go question and answer period. So everyone saw this. So let's go. Let's go question and answer. I'm here for you. And any questions you have, type them out. If you're on YouTube, you can do that. If you're in my Zoom, you can do that. And again, let me ask this question. So if you're typing on YouTube or you're typing on Facebook, I can pull your questions up. On Zoom, I cannot. I can't pull your questions up on live, but I can read them. So I do have a question. All right. My question is this. I'm doing this now, and I'm opening up a individual or joint account. Okay, good question. Now, you will have the option to open up an individual or a joint. Do not choose joint and add your wife. That's the craziest thing you can do. I'm going to tell you why. Because if you choose joint and you add your wife, she cannot go and open up an individual account. So you need to open up an individual account for yourself and have your wife open up one for herself. The reason why is because you now have the ability to refer and earn up to $10,000 per account. If you do a joint, then you can only do $10,000 for that one account. So again, what you should be doing is you should be signing up, getting your wife to sign up under your referral link, and you're going to get the $25 because you sign up using my link or the referrals link. And then your wife is going to get a free 25 because she signed up using your link. And when her 25 hits, your 75 will hit. As a couple, by doing 2 individual accounts, you will literally have $125 to play with. So you should be doing this. You should definitely be doing this as a individual. Reggie says, are you going to do training? I will be doing training doing for the Now site. So I do have this funnel set up, and I will be having this available, and I will be having new presentations and new banners and flyers download. So if you need banners, if you need marketing, I got you covered. Don't worry about that. If you need a system, we have one. My buddy Sid has one. It's a one-time fee for his. We have one in Now site. We have that as well too. So let me ask another question. How fast does the money come? All right. So I have seen this money come within 5 minutes. That's as fast as I've seen it come. Now, it may not come 5 minutes for everyone, depends on the bank, but what triggers that deposit that you get is when that person gets their 25, you simultaneously get your 75. So the money can come as fast as 2 hours, as fast as 5 minutes, but it's right now money. So again, it comes fast. I got another question on the Zoom. I have a green card. Can I still participate? Actually, if you have a bank account and you're able to get a bank account, you will have to upload some documentation, but yes, you can participate as long as you have a US bank account, you're good to go. So again, as long as you have a US bank account, it'll ask you if you're a citizen. If you were able to get a bank account and you have a green card and you got a bank account with a bank, then there's possible that you can get a bank account with this one and SoFi, and yes, you can earn money too. All right, another question. All right, this person is repeating this. I have 7 people in my household that are over 18, all with bank accounts. I am a college student. You mean to tell me that I can make $75 for every person? Yes. So, depending on how you want to do it, if you want to go sign up all those people on your one link, you can. If you want to, it's however you do it. So if you're in college, you can tell this is easy money if you're in college. So you can make a lot of money. So yeah, you can sign them all up on your link, or you can have them sign one up or another. So it doesn't matter. If you sign them all up on your link, they're going to each get $25 and you'll get all the $75. If you want to share the love, you can do it. It's up to you how you do it. Another question here. All right, and a comment from CY. It's time to bless everybody. Yes, it's time to bless everyone. You guys should not be sitting on this. You should not be sitting on this. You should be getting, this is free money. And I'm gonna tell you something. I sent people a link that didn't do it, and they came back to me and they said, man, I think it's a scam. I'm like, okay, go sit over there and think it's a scam. Meanwhile, you can be a spectator and watch as we get all this money. All right, so is there an expiration for it? No, this program is going on for 2 years. Right now, that $75 is there. There is no expiration date. But here's my thing. How long do you think a bank is going to be having this opportunity? My thing is jump on it and get all the money you can. It doesn't cost you anything. I would jump on this and get all the money I can. Not saying it's going to go anywhere. It's been around for a long time. People love it. But my thing is, your bills ain't going to expire. So you got this joint, you jump on it, refer some people, you get 75 per person. You refer 10 tonight. Those 10 people will get $25, which means that you help $250 go into the pockets of others. And for you helping them get $250, you're going to get $750. So go on tonight, rock and roll, do that jank like now. All right. CY says study long, study wrong. Exactly. Yep. So okay, I got another question. Direct deposits. I didn't mention it. So if you're a person, okay, so let me just kind of make this clear. If you transfer $50, you open up a new account and you do a bank. Remember, the key is a bank debit card. Some of you don't walk away and do a bank transfer because you can be like, where my money at? Well, your $50 didn't hit the bank yet. It's going to take 2 weeks. So you're not getting right now money. So here's where you can make the 325. So some of you can make 325 without doing anything. So if you don't refer, which you have to be absolutely crazy not to refer, like you have to be insane not to refer. Like literally, I would ask that you seek psychological help and get evaluated if you don't refer, because I mean, not referring means that you don't want people to get money because you're not giving people an opportunity to get a free 25. And then you're going to get 75 on top of that. It's crazy not to refer. But let's say, for instance, if you're crazy and you don't want to refer, you're like you have just went psycho and you just decided that you really don't want money anymore and you don't want to deal with people. You're a hermit. You live in this like shack and you hate everyone. You hate everybody. The only thing you love is your animals. Okay, you can still make money. If you don't refer, you can make money. If you don't refer, if you sign up tonight, you transfer $50, you'll make $25. If you do your first direct deposit in SoFi Bank, they're going to give you an extra $300 for your direct deposit. So you can make $325 without talking to anyone, but that's all you ever make. But that's silly because they want to give you 10 grand. By you not referring, you're telling the bank, no, I don't want $10,000 from you. Get as much money as you can, folks. Get as much as you can. All right. So do they have to make a deposit just to set up? Yes. So when you set this up, they need to transfer $50 using a bank debit card. If they don't do that, they will not get $25. If they do this on a bank-to-bank transfer, they'll get the $25, but it might just take 2-3 weeks to get it. So you can open up an account and not put any money in there, but you will not be able to refer. Let me repeat that. If you open up a bank account with SoFi Bank and you don't put any money in there, you will get nothing for referrals. You won't get the 25. You won't get the 75. You'll get nothing. It literally, I would ill advise anyone to open up this bank and not put $50 in there. If you don't put anything, if you don't put no money in there, this is a waste of time for you. Because we trying to get you paid, right? Again, my worst case scenario was what? I walk away from this with $25. So again, yeah, make sure you refer. So any other questions? And okay, a friend of mine opened up an account around 1:45. Yeah, so if anyone gets the 25, the person that referred you gets the 75. So yeah, you will as soon as you get that 25, somebody got the 75. So again, if you want to go and do your household, you want to go do your neighborhood, this is free money, y'all. This is free money. It don't take anything. You're not buying nothing. Take advantage of the opportunity because there's a lot of people that really need the money. I'm just being honest with you. If I can really go into some testimonials, if I can, and all of my people not on here, I did a live, I think the other day, and I'm just going to give you some heartfelt testimonies. I had a person that was about $600 short on rent. $600 short on rent. They were about to put that $600 on a credit card and eat it, right? They went out here, got the link, okay? They referred 20 people. They referred 20 people. And they were $600 short on their bills, and I'm trying to see if I can find that person on here. But they referred, I can't find them. They referred 20 people. They made $1,500 for those 20 people. And here's the crazy part. They referred those 20 people in 30 minutes. They made $1,500 in 30 minutes. And all they did was send the link out. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. So again, this is real. So let me answer some questions. So Yeah, it's free. You right, CY. CY is right. It is free, bro. It is free. And CY says never leave money on the table, never leave money on the table. Tamika, yeah, I'll inbox you the link and it's going to have instructions so you can get started. You'll get your $25 tonight, and then you'll be referring going forward. Free money. Mr. Vent, I'm going to send you a link too, so you can get your 25 tonight, and hopefully you wake up with like $500-$600, $1,000, whatever you want. You're going to be just killing it. Reggie, you already in there. I'm gonna add the funnel, Reggie. How much for the funnels? Well, I use a software called Now, so it's a monthly fee, but you can get everything with it. So I'll have that available too. I'll send you information on that as well too. So I will send you now. The link is above this video if you're on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, there's a link above this video. Let me make sure I'm not going crazy. There's a link above my video. It should be. I'm just checking to make sure because I have been known to get the links up there. Is it still above there, or did Facebook remove it? All right, so yeah, if it's not on there, I'll find it. Yeah, Sid has one. I'll send you some information to that one too, Tamika, as well. So what we'll do is I'll send you a link to get signed up, and then we have there's funnels that explains everything. Like literally, there's a whole explanation. If you want funnels, I'll definitely reach out to you. And I do have one that's already set up. That's pretty easy. I'll be sharing it with all of my people as well because the funnel is just like turning your phone into an ATM machine. So yes, there is a funnel. So I will be sending each of you guys links. Okay, got a question on Zoom. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is a good question. Actually, this ain't a question. This is a testimonial. I wish I can share it on Zoom, but I can't transfer my Zoom here. All right. So Michael Evans referred 10 people today, and he said, "This is real. I referred 10 people today. I got 750 today, and the money is spendable. And they even give you a digital debit card that you can go into and scan at stores on your phone." He's absolutely right about that. Absolutely right. As a matter of fact, let me just kind of show you this guy's on my app. I'm working with 3 accounts here. Let me open up one. I do want to show you this that you do have a debit card. This is a real bank, folks. And again, they have a lot of other products here. They have loans, and I mean, if you're looking for a second bank, this is a great incentive to do because you're going to get money pretty easy. So let me go into my account here and log in and show you that there is a debit card that you can access. I'm gonna go here and show you guys. So yeah, you have an active debit card on here. I'm not sure if you can see that. You have an active debit card, and you can even add it to your Google Pay. So yeah, you can add it to your Google Pay. So when they send you the money, you can spend it immediately. You can spend it immediately. So you get that 25, you can spend that 25 immediately. And hey, if you refer people and you get a lot of money, you can spend all of it immediately. Again, there's some people out here that are just making insane amounts of money. And let me tell you something: if you really, really want to get a good plan for this, if you're in other opportunities, right? The main thing people are complaining like, man, I don't have no money to invest in your opportunity. Well, let them do this. And guess what they got? They got more than enough money to join your opportunity. I had a person, and I'm actually rolling people over to an opportunity that's like $10 and they earn residual income. So I roll them over from this. I got a new opportunity where I roll them over to a $10 opportunity, and now they earn residual income with $10. So again, low ticket opportunities. We go from free to low ticket. Literally with this and something else I'm going to be announcing pretty soon. With this and the thing I'm going to be announcing pretty soon, uh, we're going to have people that are going to end up, with $2,500 a month that didn't have before. So you can make 10,000 from this. And the only thing about this is you got to remember, once you have maxed out your account and you got $10,000 per account, what's going to happen is you can't refer anymore for about 12 months. So you got to wait an entire calendar year. So you can't refer anymore. So after that, you got all these people that you helped out, which let me do the math in my mind. Give me 1 second. Let me think. Okay. So I'm going to give you a scenario. I mean, I'm trying to use my, my um What's the math? Okay, I got the math. Perfect, perfect. So in order to max out at $75, if you refer people, so you would need to have referred 133 people. So again, that's the max you can refer. So if you have 133 people that signed up, then you have made your $10,000 for the account. So that's what it's going to take to get the 10 grand is about 133 people. So I had to kind of do the math in my head. So 133 people, or it could be less because some people might open up student loans. But again, once you get to $10,000, you max out. If you have helped 133 people, they're happy with you. They trust you. You can roll them over into an opportunity that costs like $10, and then they're gonna save even more money on everything they do, and now they can get residual income, and you can get residual income. So this is a rollover opportunity. So again, max it out, show as many people as possible. You got to do this. So it's really really good. Start with this, where I'll be launching the other thing down the line. But right now, I am focused on helping every person in this Zoom on this presentation get to $10,000. That's my goal. So if you're here, let me just say, hey, welcome 10,000 air, welcome 10,000 air, welcome 10,000 air. To me, it says you get a higher referral when someone signs up. But there's no referral for direct deposit. The direct deposit is incentive for them. But if a person does open a credit card, you get $100. If they do a student loan or refinance a student loan, you get $1,000. But the cool thing about this is you get them into the system, right? And anything they do, you earn money throughout the year. So you don't know what they're going to earn. A person might have different needs, but the thing is getting into the system opens up the door for you to earn more money. So it's really easy. So Reggie, all you gotta do is download the SoFi app from Google Play or from the App Store. That's it, and log in, and you can do it from the app. And you can the app will have your phone. You can add this to your to your wallet. So really easy to do. Let me see. Are there any other questions here? Okay. I just downloaded the app and I just did my deposit. Where's my referral link? Okay. So if you're on your phone, your referral link will be, oh, let me get this out of the way. Your referral link will be on your app. So that's where your referral link will be. It will be inside your app. So if you guys see that, that's where your referral link will be. So download the app, your referral link is there, and all you gotta do is touch it. And when you touch it, you can send it. So very easy. All right. I mean, because most people don't make money in opportunities. So this seems like it's impossible for one. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna tell you this. I don't think I don't know. I can't speak for everybody, but from what I'm hearing, from what I'm hearing, um, 98% of the people I sent this to have made a minimum of 150 already. 90% of the people I sent this to have made a minimum of 150 already. I've never had that happen in anything. I've never had 90% of people make $100 and get it sent to them within a 24-hour period. So within a 24-hour period, 98% of people I sent this to have already made $100 in a 24-hour period. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's real crazy. So this is nuts. This thing is going crazy. So again, got people subscribing here. So welcome. So again, the people on my YouTube channel subscribing. So again, is welcome. So folks, so hey, this is our presentation. I'm gonna go now. Tomorrow is Thursday. I will be on here live. So if you're on YouTube, I'll be on here around the same time at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock hour. I will be doing this indefinitely so I can get you guys signed up. So again, I'll get you signed up with this. And if you have people, I will do this presentation for you because people are going to ask you questions and they need a professional presentation. So if you like this presentation, trust me, I will be here making money for you. All you got to do is just show up here live, send a person your link before they come on, tell them to watch. I answer a question and I'll help you get to 10 grand. So my goal is help everyone get 10 grand. I will be doing it every day for at least the next 2 or 3 weeks or so, and once we get this thing going, I don't think it's gonna die down. Once we get this thing going, I will have something else for you guys to do as well. And so again, after you make your $500, $600 or whatever in your first day, or after you make your 10 grand, set aside $10 We got something else that's gonna make you a lot of money, a lot of money. So, that's foreshadowing. But right now, we wanna focus on this. So, listen, for those of you who reached out to me, I'm going to send you a link and you can get signed up. The link will have 2 videos on it. You can follow it, get you signed up, and if you have any questions, let me know, or refer back to the person that sent you here. They've already done this. So thank you so much for watching. Um, Comment on this video if you see this late. If you're watching this on a replay, because it will leave a replay, if you need any assistance and you guys signed up, then just let me know. Just reach out in the video. I will definitely get back to you. So thank you guys for watching. Um, and I'm gonna leave you with this. If you're watching this, bare minimum, I'm gonna send you a link tonight. Do this tonight and get your $25. And the reason why I say do this tonight and get your $25 is because if you do this tonight and you get your $25, you're gonna share this with someone in your family or girlfriend or whoever or best friend, and you want to experience the free money deposit. Because you can tell people, man, this thing came within 5 minutes, this thing came within 10 minutes. And then refer someone, get that $75 in there, and you got $100. And when you got $100, it's very easy to show someone on your phone, and look at all these referrals. Look at all these referrals. So I mean, if you got that going on, that's going to be your testimony. Your bank account is going to be your testimony. So when I show people, I think I got some stuff that came in today. So like on my phone, I got all these $75 deposits. When you show it to people, they don't know it's real. I got something that came in today. So again, I want to see you guys with a line of 75, and I will be here tomorrow to present for you. I'm going to take care of all your presentation, all your question asking. Bring them here. We're going to go on around 6 o'clock, 6:30 tomorrow. Be on the look out for live. I'm actually going to schedule a post, so it will be there. I'm going to schedule a post for around 6:30 tomorrow evening. So 6:30 tomorrow evening. I will be on here. I will schedule this now. So look out for it on Facebook. Make sure you attend. Make sure you turn on notifications. When I go live, then you're here and you can bring your people on here and I can help get them enrolled for you and you can make as much money as you want. I am here to help you make as much money as you want. I will do these presentations until you all have 10 grand. How about that? All right, that's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I gotta cook dinner now, and feed the household. But I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. And let's go out there and let's make as much money as possible. It's free money. Get as much of it as possible. You never know when something like this is going to go away. So take advantage of it now. Get all the money you can possibly get. I don't think it's going away. They've been around for 2 years, but again, you want to get as much money as possible. So thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. I'll be sending links out to everyone that requested it. And God bless. See you tomorrow.